Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it is important to know that I'm here to help you prepare for your IELTS speaking exam with tips, strategies, and sample answers. In today's video, we're going to dive into an important cue card topic that many of you might get in the exam. I'll be sharing a well-structured response that you can use as a guide to prepare your own answer. So, if you're aiming to score high in the speaking section, make sure to watch till the end and don't forget to take notes. Please subscribe our channel for latest cue cards. Describe a piece of technology that you find difficult to use. When did you get it? What did you get it for? How often do you use it? How do you feel about it? The dishwasher in my kitchen is one household appliance that I find challenging to operate. About a year ago, we purchased it to streamline our everyday tasks and reduce the amount of time spent hand-washing dishes. I was initially thrilled by the prospect of having pristine dishes with minimal work, but as time went on, I came to understand that running the dishwasher was more difficult than I had first thought. We use a lot of dishes every day, especially after parties or family get-togethers, thus the dishwasher was bought expressly to manage them. But correctly configuring and using it has always been difficult. There are numerous settings for various loads, including glasses, large pots, and delicate objects. Furthermore, it takes a lot of time to make sure the dishes are properly put within the machine and have been pre-rinsed. Dishes can occasionally have stains or food residue even after all the directions have been followed, which is annoying. Due to these issues, I only use the dishwasher a few times per week. I usually prefer doing the dishes by hand for smaller loads rather than wasting time adjusting settings or resolving problems. In addition, I'm concerned about overloading the machine or using the incorrect detergent, both of which could result in damage or inefficiency. Even though the dishwasher is a practical appliance, I find it difficult to use. I think I should read the handbook more thoroughly and learn how to utilize it efficiently. I do, however, still utilize it sporadically and hesitantly for the time being.
Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and resources on mastering English. Leave a comment below with any questions or topics you'd like me to cover next. Good luck with your IELTS preparation, and see you in the next video.